Hi, it's Mark at Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario. Just going to show you a little bit of shake, rattle, and roll. We got this car here, and customer's complaint is here's a bit of a rattle. And take a little listen to this. Are you in there? Are you in there, Chris? Look at this. It's like playing the guitar. Now, I don't know how to play the guitar, but I know that that's a rattle. And we're going to solve that. That's just a backing plate. You probably would be able to, on some cars, when they're, of course, not moving, put your hand in through the aluminum rim and just whack that and say, hey, I got a problem there. I'm going to have to take my tire off, take a look at the brakes, and somehow secure this backing plate that is falling off. So just a little tech tip of Urban Automotive, safety first. Thanks for watching our YouTube channels and subscribing. Any other questions? Call Mike. Urban Automotive, safety first.